Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a resizable element in HTML and CSS. So firstly we're going to make a div, and I'm just going to put some text in it, and that text just says the words some text. You can put whatever you want in this div. It doesn't even have to be a div, it can be any element, but I'm just going to use a basic div with some text. Now we're going to use CSS on the div. So we're going to change the height to 200. We're going to change the width to 300. We're going to change the padding to 20 pixels. And we're going to set the border to 1 pixel solid black. Now we have a basic element, and now we're going to use the two most important properties to make the element resizable. So the first one is resize both, so it'll allow us to resize it on both the X and the Y axis. And now the overflow is auto. And now the element is exactly the same. However, you can see here there's a resizing icon in the bottom right corner. If you click on it, you can drag it to make it bigger, smaller, in all directions. And so that's how to make a resizable element in HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching.